Make a great choice today with the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, tachometer, daytime running lights, heads-up display, trailer hitch receiver, engine hour meter. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.